Inconvenience. Comfortable. Liable. Either way. Applicable. Pronunciation. Schedule. Knowledge. Confidential. Appreciate. Allegedly. Three. Confirm. Beneficiary. Interruption.
Then provide necessary information. You will also be asked to upload your resume. Yeah, please your email and copy your email if you have a soft copy. So the next part, we will be seeing the start. We will be seeing the start assessment team that we need to click the video resume.
Hello, thank you for
So
calling.
we'll be so
How can I assist today?
notes, you cannot stop adding your browsing on for the answers. Describing your speaking language assessment is also pretty depends. If you have questions, reset. You
If
reach
you
out
have
to
recently
us.
purchased a device and do not agree to the terms of the license, you may return the device within the return period. According to the agreement you signed, you agree to use the product in compliance with all applicable laws, including local laws of the country or region in which you reside. I'll be glad to help you. May I please get your order number and the name of the order? Thank you. Let me check that for you. Can you please verify the last four numbers of your social security ID? If we do the transaction over the phone or online, our team will contact you for verification prior to sending your order. The whole process usually takes 2 to 3 days. I appreciate your concern. Please don't worry, we will look into it and get back to you as soon as possible. If you have any other questions, I'll try to answer them to the best of my knowledge. My manager hasn't responded yet because she's busy helping other customers. I see that this is the sixth purchase you have made with this provider. Would you like to hear about other offers?
Excuse me.
Please let me know if you can provide specific instructions so you can access the information in the future. While the customer is going through troubleshooting steps, I realize that they left the page logged in from the last time they tried to visit their account. I apologize for the inconvenience, but an email address is required to activate your phone. Thank you for holding. Please confirm the information I found in your most recent bill. Within the first 14 days after service activation, you may terminate your agreement for any reason and not be required to pay any activation fee. However, if you decide to terminate your agreement post 14 days, you will need to pay for all fees and charges up to the date of termination. I'm happy to look into a better solution for you if this service is something you are interested in using.
Make sure that your reply is not running short.
I'm really sorry you feel this way. I'm going to do my best to find a solution for you. Do you mind telling me a bit more about the issue you're experiencing? Thank you. Let me know if there's anything else I can assist you with. Have a great day. I need a moment to look into your file. May I place the call on hold for a few seconds? Please note that from time to time we might make changes to the agreement. This could include on charges, discounts, coverage, technologies, and other service terms. We'll provide you with a notice in your monthly bill as well as by email or mail. Unfortunately, this is not included in your current service. If you give me just a moment, I'm going to look for alternatives. Thank you for calling. We're glad to assist you. I hope I have resolved all of your issues.
What about this?
My whole system crashed. I noticed that you qualify for a couple of different offers. Can I confirm that you ordered the service?
Because if you're not, okay, so first you need to enter your repeat profile, the certificate is still up and the necessary information.
Can you explain your issue to me?
On the last part of the page, you might see the start assessment assessments. It will do so we're not allowed to use your level
Can I please speak to the account holder?
for the answers. That's where you're spoken as an assessment after the events. If you have any questions, let me know. Yes, just leave that as what's your lesson?
The earliest appointment time I could get to you is tomorrow morning. I am having a difficult time establishing rapport in my calls.
Charlie should email you the assessment.
I think this is the best item for you to purchase.
So you can go see when then if you really want to maintain or go the area. Thank you so much for your time.
I am sure that the information you provided will be kept confidential. Ma'am,
You're done.
yes,
Procedure one.
I'm sorry,
This procedure in one.
I don't understand.
Ma'am, this procedure in one.
Oh, sorry, I'm a bit hungry. But, could I close this or?
Ma'am, this procedure in one.
Firm before to
Ma'am, you don't need to close anything. This procedure in one. That's the instruction for you. Not to close all the tabs for the test. This procedure
paper lang to.
Is there another exam after that?
Ma'am, take your seat first. Let me check your assessment.
Can I just go out first and then I'll come back after? There, because there is
Ma'am, this is only for a minute. I just need to check your assessment and give you the results. So take your seat first.
okay, while you check it, because it is a legal issue, I'll need to see someone outside.
Ma'am, this is only for a minute. Just wait for a minute, ma'am. Take your seat first. You're not allowed to
It won't
go
take
outside,
some
ma'am.
time.
I will take
This
some
is
time.
only 1 minute, ma'am. Take your seat
Just
first.
gonna search for it and then you will have it.
Take your seat first.
Kailangan natin.
Siya na kayo na Take your seat first. Take your seat, ma'am.
I really need to see someone. I don't need to be rude. I just need to see someone. Wait lang po. I'll just go back. Oh, what's your name again? I'm sorry.
Aya.
Aya.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Isa ba?
Hindi pa po. Wait lang po.